study English! Yay!
A new school year, a new phase in your life. When new things are happening, sometimes we like to clean up all our mess, throw away things that we don't need anymore, and make space for new and exciting things. Sometimes these things are real, like actual books or bits and pieces, and sometimes we're talking about experiences, throwing away kind of all what happened before and thinking about new ways of doing things. So the expression out with the old and in with the new is an expression that means exactly that. Throw away all the old things that you don't want and bring in new things. Can also mean fresh new ideas to replace old, kind of boring ideas that are not useful anymore. For example, it's a new school year. Let's tidy up the pictures on the walls. Out with the old and in with the new. That means basically throw away all the old pictures and make space for new pictures for the new students. Or if we're thinking about ideas, the plan that we have been following for so many years is outdated now. Out with the old and in with the new. Any ideas, anyone? Out with the old, thumbs up, in with the new, subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
スーザンと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!